everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video takes a look at the Lantone Guitar Pedal Kit's Overdrive OD1. This isn't a finished pedal you just plug in, but rather a complete kit designed for anyone wanting to build their own classic overdrive effect. The kit arrives with everything needed to assemble a functional pedal. Inside the package, you'll find a ready-to-solder printed circuit board, specifically designed for this overdrive effect. All the necessary electronic components are included, carefully selected to match the circuit design. This means resistors, capacitors, transistors, diodes, and any other small parts required to populate the PCB are provided. One of the significant advantages of this particular kit is the inclusion of a custom-designed, pre-drilled 1590B aluminum enclosure. The 1590B is a standard size for guitar pedals, known for its sturdy construction. Having it pre-drilled saves a considerable amount of time and effort, as drilling and filing holes for jacks, pots, and switches can be one of the more challenging steps in DIY pedal building. The enclosure is ready to accept the components once the circuit board is soldered and wired up. The kit is designed to operate on a standard 9-volt power supply, which is typical for most guitar effects pedals. The controls are managed via knobs, allowing the user to adjust parameters like volume, tone, and gain, which are standard for an overdrive effect. The hardware interface uses the common 1/4-inch audio jacks for connecting the guitar and amplifier. Building a pedal from a kit like this offers a unique experience. It provides insight into how these effects work and gives the builder a sense of accomplishment. The Lantone OD1 kit is presented as a project that results in a functional overdrive pedal. Overdrive effects are fundamental in guitar playing, used to add warmth, sustain, and a natural-sounding breakup to the guitar signal, mimicking the sound of a tube amplifier being pushed hard. This specific OD1 circuit is likely based on a well-regarded classic overdrive design, aiming to replicate those sought-after tones. The process involves soldering the components onto the PCB according to the provided instructions or layout, wiring the PCB to the jacks, pots, and foot switch within the pre-drilled enclosure, and finally testing the completed pedal. For someone new to electronics or pedal building, a kit with a pre-drilled enclosure simplifies the mechanical aspects, allowing them to focus more on the soldering and wiring. For experienced builders, it's a convenient way to quickly assemble a reliable overdrive pedal. The final product, once successfully built, is a handmade effect pedal housed in a durable aluminum box, ready to be added to a pedal board. The appeal lies not just in the cost savings compared to buying a finished pedal, but in the personal connection to the gear created with one's own hands.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.